Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 10 of your class 4 English grammar, that is finite and auxiliary verbs. So let's begin. The verb is the most important part of a sentence. Verb क्या होता है? Verb के बिना कोई sentence ही नहीं होता. Verb क्या होता है? एक important part होती है किसी भी sentence का. Without a verb we can never make a sentence. Verb के बिना हम sentence कभी नहीं बना सकते. A verb can express an action, work or incident. एक verb क्या express करते हैं? एक action को, work को, एक incident को, or the state of being of something. So a verb tell us what someone or something does. कि किसी चीज ने और किसी चीज ने क्या किया है. और what happens, what the condition or the state of someone or something is. Like जीत plays football in a park every day. जीत क्या कर रहा है? प्ले कर रहा है फुटबॉल का भी पार्क में रोज. What does जीत do? जीत ने क्या करा? He plays, वो खेल रहा है. प्ले हो गई आपकी verb. गुंजन has learned computer operations at school. गुंजन ने कंप्यूटर चलाना कहाँ सीखा? आपके स्कूल में. So what did गुंजन do? गुंजन ने क्या किया? She learned. तो learn हो गई आपकी verb. Now the verb in the above sentence tell us about the actions done by Arun, Sarita, Gunjan, flowers his leg, etc. So look at these sentences. Jeet is a nice boy. Jeet क्या है? Nice boy है. Is Gunjan was an expert singer. Gunjan क्या थी? Expert singer थी. These flowers are beautiful. ये जो flowers है beautiful है. So the verb here tell us about the state of condition of Jeet, Gunjan and these flowers. So all actions cannot be expressed with one word only to excel. So the words express नहीं कर सकते. Many verbs are made up of 2 or 3 words. जो verbs होती है किससे बनी होती है? 2 या उससे ज़्यादा words से बनी होती है. Shilpi is working on her computer. Is working. So Bobby has come first in the final exam. Has come. Now they have been studying English and Hindi. They have been is the verb. So in above sentence working comes studying and these are the main actions described in the sentence. ये क्या है? Main actions है जो describe करे गए आपके sentence में. Each one of them has a finite and a main verb. इसमें finite भी और एक main verb भी है. The words which is, has, have, been, will have are the auxiliary और helping verbs. ये क्या होती है आपकी? Auxiliary हो गई या helping verb हो गई. जैसे have been हो गया, will have हो गया. So ये आपकी helping verb है या फिर auxiliary है. They tell us about the thing of the action. ये हमें बताते हैं the time of the, किसके बारे में बताते हैं? Time of the action के बारे में बताते हैं. They help the finite verb in making full sense. ये finite verb की help करते हैं एक full sense बनाने में. The be verbs and is, are, was, were, shall, will are mostly used as auxiliary verb. कैसे use होती है? Auxiliary verb की तरह use होती है. Some other auxiliary verbs are can, may, could, might, should, would, has, have, had. If any of these verbs are used alone, they are finite verbs. अगर ये verbs अकेली use होती है तो ये क्या होती है आपकी? Finite verbs होती है. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.